Hey everybody, it's time to here. It's Monday, so it's my turn to talk. I haven't really been watching anime or reading too much manga lately, but for Christmas I got two video games for my PSP, and the first one is this French title, Jeanne d'Arc. It's Joan of Arc, pretty much. It's a role-playing game. I used to own it, but my brother stole it from me and sold it. So I have this now, again. Yeah, and another game, which I love, is Persona 3 Portable. I don't know if you're familiar with Persona series, but it's one of my favorite. Another role-playing. I guess it's role-playing. Yeah, role-playing game. Yeah. I've been playing them recently, and I hope to beat them soon, because I have like so many games that I haven't even gotten close to beating before. I brought them over here, because I didn't show you. I have Kingdom Hearts Birth by Sleep, and in this game you get to play as one of 3 characters, and I almost beat it with one of the characters, but I stopped playing it because I bought the strategy guide. That makes no sense, but that's really what happened. I have Final Fantasy VII Crisis Core. I used to have this one, then my brother stole it, so then I got this again. And since it was such a good game, I don't want to replay it because it's already like finished to me, if that made sense. Yeah. And then I have a movie, an anime movie. Not even going to try pronouncing that. Yeah, I haven't watched it yet actually, but I'm pretty sure it's good. I heard good reviews about it. And the next are just things I got recently. My Chemical Romance. It's obviously a band, but this is their DVD thing. But I actually found it on PSP, which is weird, but I'm happy with it. And only because this one came with My Chemical Romance, which is the one I wanted, I got this too. Green Day. I think it's just a CD, but no, it's a live concert. That's fun. I haven't watched it yet because I don't really like Green Day that much, but you know. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been up to. Yeah. I don't know what else to talk about. I guess that's it. I'll see you guys next Monday.